Fire. In a world of darkness, this element reveals the strongest, a force of nature that cannot be controlled, but its light is beautiful in our eyes, a force that turns cold to ash and burning its power into our minds forever, igniting the spark of life while always threatening to extinguish it. The universe's god of destruction. How strong is... As soon as the earth took its first breath, fire did as well, raging over the planet for billions of years and striking fear in every era. Fire is the element of energy that embodies both creation and destruction, light and darkness. It emerges from the dance of combustion where fuel, oxygen, and heat converge, igniting a phenomena that can scorch the world. Reaching insanely hot temperatures, wildfires can blaze over 1,500 degrees Celsius or 2,732 degrees Fahrenheit, turning all organic matter into dust, an entire forest into ash. When we look up into the sky, asteroids fall from space. A mountain falling 62 miles to Earth's surface weighing millions of tons, falling to the planet at 30 kilometers per second, faster than any bullet ever fired. But Earth has a guardian, as fire ignites the asteroid, blazing like the sun on entry, completely obliterating it before it even comes close. And we think it looks beautiful. Similar to animals with colors that signal danger, fire does the same, as the colors of fire are a warning to anyone who comes close, each hue revealing its overwhelming strength. The vibrant orange and yellow flames like campfires and fireplaces are moderate heat, while blue flames indicate far higher temperatures. A propane torch, which burns around 1,980 degrees Celsius or 3,596 degrees Fahrenheit, white flames are significantly greater. It's often found when materials are being melted or forged, each shade representing a different manifestation of fire's power, an artist's padlet of creation and destruction, with this exact same colorway being similar to stars in space, as each color follows the same pattern. Our sun, a yellow star, burns with heat reaching 6,000 degrees Celsius, completely turning planets near it into scorching rocks. Mercury, being so close to the sun, has a surface temperature reaching 800 degrees Fahrenheit, with Venus being even hotter, as it reaches 870 degrees, which would turn a person to ash in a fraction of a second. But our sun is only moderate in heat. Blue stars are ridiculously hot, being cosmic titans of heat, burning at temperatures that reach upwards of 20 to 50,000 degrees Celsius or 36 to 90,000 degrees Fahrenheit. To put that into perspective, that's over 5 times hotter than the surface of our own sun. Imagine taking the hottest molten lava on Earth around 1,200 degrees Celsius or 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit and cranking the dial until it glows a furious blue. If we could somehow bring even a fragment of a blue star's surface down to Earth, it would incinerate entire cities in an instant, vaporizing anything in its way. The searing heat would make even the core of a nuclear explosion seem like a candle in the wind. Fire, also being a master of disaster, thriving on a diet of combustible materials, wood, plastic, fibers, almost anything that you can think of, turning them into smoke and heat with just a mere spark. Smoke itself being a byproduct of fire that creates a cloud of death, filled with toxic gases and particles that can take away your vision and shrivel up your lungs. It wraps around fire like a blanket, turning what could be a controlled blaze into a life-annihilating situation. The dangers of smoke extend far beyond the reach of a blaze. It can travel for miles, affecting air long after the flames have been extinguished. A single ember from a campfire can float in the wind, igniting a wildfire that can consume thousands of acres, proving that even the tiniest spark sets the stage for fire's strength. If you actually think about it, fire is similar to Broly from Dragon Ball Super, as its strength and size will literally double after each passing minute. And after 8 minutes, a fire can grow 64 times from its original spark, which gives life moments to react before it's gone. An element so strong that we need it to survive, but every minute that it stays, it threatens our lives. Overall, fire would scale infinite layers into boundless with irrelevant speed. And shout out to Jason, Kyle, and Dagger who dropped 50 to sponsor this video, because in the end, once the Earth was formed 1.4 billion years ago, this powerful element was born as well. And now we use its strength to do anything that we desire, because out of every video that I've ever made, this one is actually fire.